Welcome back today. It's me, Beto G. I'm back today with another beat. I'm very happy. I was in the street hustling, but today I'm back in my studio. I will new show records. I'm going to be making South Sudan trap beat. That's the beat I'm going to be making. South Sudan trap beat. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell below so that anytime I drop my new videos, you will get notified. That's the beat I'm going to be making. South Sudan. So when launch your FS Studio, just put your cursor like this, right click on your FS Studio app, then you click open. But for me, I have already launched my FS Studio. Good. So I will just click on my FS Studio and enter my FS Studio. This is my FS Studio, and this is my channel rack here. This is my mixer. This is my playlist. That's good. The next step is I'm going to click on add to my South Sudan trap beat. So today, the plugin I'm going to be using today is going to be called Kepler Exo. Today it's a new plugin. I've never used this plugin before for this South Sudan trap beat. I'm going to be using this Kepler Exo. That's it. This is a plugin. So I'm going to put my cursor like this. Left click and hold it. Turn the mouse wheel to channel 6. After that, I'm going to click on this plugin options. Click on preset. Click on preset like this. Then I'm going to look for a nice plugin, a nice preset. So I'm going to pick this one called Sing. As you can see, I've clicked on Sing, but I'm going to pick this one called Big Lead. This is how you select your sound. When creating beat, always select good sound. So I'll put my cursor on 6, right click, then click piano roll. I'm just going to use this one for the South Sudan trap beat. Good. So I've created my 4 bars pattern. The next step is I'm going to click on this select, put my cursor at the starting of 5, left click and hold it, highlight to left, press Ctrl and B. I've extended right up to bars number 8. That's it. The next step, always make sure you use these tools up here. Everything on the screen of this FSDO have many functions. Always use the functions. Study this one called draw, study this one called paint, study this one called paint in drum sequencer mode, study this one called delete. Make sure study everything up to here as my cursor is pointing on the screen. Study this one called view playlist, study this one called view piano roll, study this one called view channel rack, study this one called view mixer, study this one called browser plugin picker. Study everything. These are functions. Don't forget to study anyone. Study everything. Now let's continue. I'm going to click on view channel rack. After that, I'll click on add. Then I'm going to pick this one called Sim. That's it. I'll click on this empty space here. I will left click and hold it, turn the mouse wheel to channel 7. After that, I'll put my cursor here, right click, then click piano roll. And then I'll click on this draw. As you can see, this is a function of the draw. I've already clicked on the draw here. So I'll just start to click. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's aligning. Make sure I can still put my melodies like this. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's okay. Now let's play the South Sudan trap beat, the second melody. Let's listen to it. Good. It's sounding very sweet, simple. Now the next step, let's click on this view channel rack. For our South Sudan trap beat, the hi-hat, I'm going to put my cursor on channel 3, right click, then click piano roll. After that, I'm going to click here. As you can see, I've created my hi-hat up to channel. I've created my hi-hat right up to bars number 4. I'm going to click on this select, put my cursor at the starting of 5, left click and hold it, highlight it to the left, press Ctrl and B, right up to bars number 8 for my South Sudan trap beat. My channel is everything is all about beat making. Learn how to make beats here for new beginners. Learn how to make beats here. I've already copied from the 4 bars right up to bars number 8. I'm going to click on view channel rack. That's it. On channel 4, I will right click, then click piano roll. I'll click on this draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it, right up to 8. Another bounce. That's it. Another bounce like this. That's another bounce. So everything is good. Now let's go to our kick. Let's program the kick. This is our kick. I'm going to left click and hold it, drag it to channel 1. Right click on my mouse, then click piano roll. I'm going to click on this draw. 1. At bar 2, I'm putting 3 kick. At bar 3, I'm putting 1 kick. At bar 4, I'm putting 2. At bar 5, I'm putting 1. 6 bar, I'm putting 2 kick. 7 bar, I'm putting 3 kick. 8 bar, I'm putting 2 kick. That's okay. Master the way I'm programming my kick. You don't just align your kick anyhow. Follow my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button on your screen. If you are watching on your Android phone, just look on the screen as I'm watching the video. Hit the subscribe button. If you are watching on your laptop, look on the screen. You are going to see a subscribe button. Just hit the subscribe button so that anytime I drop new videos or put new video on YouTube, you are going to immediately get notified. Let's continue. The next step, since I already programmed the kick, I'll click on this kick. Click on this effect target, turn the boss knob right up to 86%. Good. Let's click on this view mixer. So this is my cursor on my screen. As I'm putting my cursor on my screen, it's pointing. So as I was telling you, make sure you study the function on your screen. As my cursor is pointing view mixer, I'm going to click on it. 6 and 7. The 6 and the 7 here are my 2 melodies on my channel rack. If you click here on view channel rack, 6 and 7 are the 2 melodies. So I'm going to drag down the 6, put my cursor on 7, drag down the 7. Then let's check on our channel rack. It's our channel rack here. 1 was our kick, so I'm going to turn up the kick right up. I'll turn up the kick right up. That's it. On 6, which is the first melody, I'll click on slot 1, click on my Fruity limiter, I'll click on my slot 2, then I'll click on my Fruity parametric EQ2, I'll click on my slot 3, and click on my Fruity soft clipper. That's okay. On 7, I'll click on my slot 1, I'll click on my Fruity parametric EQ2, I'll click on slot 2, I'll click on the Fruity soft clipper, I'll click on this slot 3, then I'll click on this Fruity limiter. That's okay. On our 3, I'll turn up the 3 with the hi-hat. I'll click on slot 1 and click a sound with Nizer. That's it. On channel 4, I'll take up the 4, I'll click on slot 1 and add a Fruity parametric EQ2. Now let's just swap left and right. I'll click here as my cursor is pointing left and right. I'm swapping left and right. I'm swapping left and right. I'm swapping. Now let's reverse the polarities. As my cursor is pointing on the screen, as you can see, you just check on the top left corner on your FL Studio app, you see reverse polarities. I'll just click on every button on the screen on my mixer. That's it. I'm clicking as my cursor is pointing. I'm clicking everything. I've finished my South Sudan trap beat. Now on this view playlist, I'll click on my view playlist. Since I told you to study the functions, I'm about to align my beat so that I can create space on intro and outro. So as my cursor is pointing on the screen, view playlist, I'll click here. This is my empty space. This space is to program and arrange your beat. So while I've written part 1, as my cursor is pointing on part 1, I'll put my cursor here. This is shaking. Since it's showing up and down, I'll just right click on my mouse, check on the screen, split by channel. I'll just click here, split by channel. That's okay. Then check on the left corner. You are going to see kick, hi-hat, snare, lead, which is the first melody, sim which is the second melody. So make sure always before clicking and clicking back to align it like this, always click on this draw first. Just click on your hi-hat, then click back, make sure you align. Click on your snare, click on your playlist, click on your first melody, click on your playlist, click on your last melody, click into your playlist. That's okay. I'm going to click on this select. At the start of 9, I'm going to left click and hold it, drag my mouse to the left, press Ctrl and B several times. This is to extend my beat. Since I cannot see the clear view, I'll just put my cursor like this, left click and hold it, drag it to the left. After that, I'll put my cursor like this. Make sure you pay attention the way my screen is looking at and the way my cursor is pointing. This is my cursor here. It's pointing left and right. I'm going to left click and hold it, drag it to the left to see the clear view. After that, I'll click on this draw, put my cursor on top of my kick, right click to remove the kick, right click again to remove the hi-hat, right click to remove the snare. This is my intro now. So I'll click on this select, put my cursor like this. At 39, I will left click and hold it, drag it to the left, press Ctrl and B to extend my beat. After that, I cannot see the clear view. I'll just bring my cursor and put it right up like this. Left click and hold it, drag it right behind. After that, I'll put my cursor like this. As it's pointing left and right, I will left click again and hold it, drag it to the right to see the clear view. That's it. After that, I'll click on this draw again, click on this big lead, then just click after the beat. So this is my outro. Now I'm clicking after the beat, right after the beat, align it where the big lead is. I'm going to click on this Simpson, just click it after the beat, align it, make sure I'm aligning it. One should not be like this, it should just be like this, very equal. Now after that, I'll put my cursor on my kick, right click to remove the hi-hat. I'll put my cursor, I wanted to say my hi-hat, but I said the kick. This is my hi-hat. After that, I'll put my cursor on top of my snare, right click to remove the snare. Now on 3, I will right click, then click now. Now we were in our playlist. Let's go to our mixer. So I'll click on this view mixer. 3 is our hi-hat. I will right click and then click create automation clip. On channel 4, I will right click now, then click create automation clip. Let's click now to our view playlist. This is our view playlist, this is our automation clip, the 2. This function is to control the volume automatically. That's okay. Now let's click on where the pattern was written. I'm going to put my cursor like this, left click and hold it, just turn my mouse a little bit to see the instrument we program it. So I'll click on this hi-hat, then click here, put my cursor as pointing left and right. I will left click and hold it, reduce it a little bit, and then just click it, and at the starting of our outro, I'm going to click here. That's okay. I've already finished. Now to play this beat here, it's in the pattern mode. That is to say, you are going to play only the pattern mode here on your channel rack. To play everything we have arranged here, you are going to click on this song mode. This pattern mode, always, like I've told people, try to use this function, know everything. This pattern mode, that is, if I'm about to play any beat, you only hear the beat play on our channel rack, but you won't hear the intro, the outro. So I'm going to switch song mode. Now let's listen to our full beat from the start to the end. See you tomorrow in another beat. Thank you for watching. Press subscribe. Now let's go. Thank you so much for watching. I've already finished making my South Sudan trap beat. See you tomorrow in another video. Goodbye. Subscribe, press subscribe button.